welcome back to class. Today we'll be learning about adverbs. Remember that adverb is one of the part of speech that we have in English language. And it is essential that you know what is an adverb and how to use it in sentences. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to learn is what an adverb is, and then how do you identify it in sentences. One, what is an adverb? An adverb is used to modify a verb. Simply put that way. An adverb is used to modify a verb, alright? What does that mean? What does modify mean? It means that an adverb will tell you more about a verb. It will tell you or give you more information about a verb. How was it done? An action is, a verb is an action word. So, how was it done? Where was it done? What time? When was it done? How many times? So, an adverb would explain all of this to us. So, adverb will tell you and give you more information about a verb. Let's look at certain examples. The boy walked. That's a sentence, right? Okay. Now, if you want to tell us how the boy walked, you can go ahead and say the boy walked slowly. Can you see that? So slowly there is an adverb telling us more about the verb. So slowly is modifying the verb walked. So slowly is the adverb, walked is the verb. Can you see that? So an adverb will tell you, give you more information, tell you more about the verb. It walked, that's fine, but it didn't walk very fast. Was it very slow? So, to tell you more about how it walked, about that verb, what do? We use an adverb. So the boy walked slowly. Okay, let's look at another example. It danced vigorously. It danced vigorously. So, he's dancing, but how is it dancing? Look at it. Vigorously, with all of his strength, with all of his energy. Alright? So he danced vigorously. Vigorously there is what? An adverb. Telling us, giving us more information, telling us more about how he is dancing. Did you see that? Good. The boy sleeps deeply. Oh, he sleeps. Everybody sleeps. Right? But how is he sleeping? Is sleeping deeply. So, telling you the depth of his sleep. That's an adverb. Telling us more about a verb. Now, adverbs are in categories or types. For instance, we have an adverb that will tell you about a place of action, where an action took place. You can have adverb of time, telling us more about the timing. Time, all right? Tells us the time an action took place. The man died yesterday. Yesterday there is an adverb telling us when. All right? It will answer the question when. If it is an adverb of place, it will answer the question where. The man died yesterday. Where? In a sitting room. So in a sitting room tells you what? Where the action took place. And that's an adverb of place. In Lagos. Oh, in Lagos? Yes, in Lagos. That's telling you an adverb of place, where the action took place. Alright, then we have adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, that tells you how an action took place. For instance, the example I said earlier, the boy walked slowly into the class. Slowly there is an adverb of manner telling us how the action was carried out. So slowly tells you, oh, the manner at which it walked. Do you understand that? Great. Now let's have your own examples. Take adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Let's see what we can do. We have other adverbs, but we will be staying with those three types today. All right, let me hear from you. Can you help me with examples? Thank you.